These are Troublesome trucks number 1 and 2, part of the Bachmann Troublesome Friends range. Troublesome truck number 1 has a wide, laughing face with hazed eyes and a double chin, just like my dad. Troublesome truck number 2 also has a laughing face that is tall and skinny with closed eyes. Both of these trucks are grey on the wooden areas, with dark grey colouring on the metalwork components, as well as black buffers, coupling hooks and real metal wheels. So I've placed 1 and 2 on the track, just as smooth as all the others that I've got, although I think this one is a little bit more rattly. So what I'm going to do now is put Percy on the front of them and pull them round.